Hi everyone, and welcome again to another quick tutorial and stream. I am Maher, and today I am going to help one of friend about his design. So let's see what we can do about it. Okay. Yeah, so here we have the problem that this part is not good and the blue cylinder is penetrating the white lines here. So what we have to do first is just let's leave this one and delete the rest. Oh, again, check how many are they? They are 16. So 16 is delete the rest. So what to do in this case is delete the surface. Got the point. So we have this and oh, okay, what we are gonna do, we have the cylinder, come to the top view, and always make sure that you're working in the middle of your viewport, your space. See, this is it's out of axis. So the way to solve this is by selecting this here. Yeah, we take center, move. See, it will snap to the center. You can do that on Rhino, or I'm working here on Matrix, so it's the same. And take it to the middle. So this line on that. This one, take it up. This way. Okay, so now we have this triangle that we want to place it on the cylinder. So we choose the cylinder, and you see this line. Yeah, this is the seam here. You can just choose rotate and come to the middle of our piece, to the seam, and take it to the side. So now this seam, we can use it as a guide instead of having to rely on this line here, which, as you can see, it's not matching. It's the distance are not matching. This one is too near compared to this. So, or we can choose move, take the line all the way here. See, so I don't want to rely on that line. So what I will do, as you can see here, it's not matching. Okay, I'm going to extract curve or duplicate edge and use that edge. See, I use that edge. Right click, and I'm still selecting that edge and change it to a different color so it don't get mixed with the blue one. I just want to have the height that's here. So this curve, yeah, it's our curve. Another surface, blue. Okay, so this curve, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to extend it out. To extend it, we have extend curve. So let's press X, extend, and it will say select the curve, and I am selecting the curve, this one. See, and it will extend it. This way I know that I'm following the blue curve here. Okay, and I'm still on the same seam. So just delete the blue one, the blue curve. Okay, delete. And now I have my triangle here. So just choose the triangle and take the center, take move, center, all the way as it is. Have to be here. Snap. Yep. Snap to the curve and place it. So now I will choose my curve and I will tell him sweep one from point, which is the top part, to the triangle, to the bottom part, which is another point. Yeah, make sure that it's here in the middle, facing whatever side it is, and we have it here. So now I have this. Okay. So now we come and to transform and array, we choose the middle and we say it is 16 and 60 degree, and okay. So here we have our piece. So now what we can do, see, as we see here at the back part, now choose this, let's give it the color, so blue cylinder, and split from the green, right click, okay. Here it did not split and it says split failed, is because this triangle is not matching the surface. So go back, see, it's not matching. So what we can do is click here, extract isocurve, change it to the V, and we take the point here. Then we have the triangle to match these points. Split from 2 points, guys. Did I do what? The curve? Is that okay? So we split this this curve, then we show the point and we give it snap. We just do it roughly to here and then split point this, delete the other side and mirror it. This way I have two at the same angle. Join, choose the curve and split. Delete. Okay, now I have this curve. This is awesome. Join. And let's try it again. This curve, sweep one. Okay, let's go back then. Okay, to get this, the green part, I choose the line, I choose the curve, and I give it sweep one. Okay, first we choose the curve and we give it sweep one, and we tell him from the point, the top point of the curve to the triangle, to the down point of the curve, lower point. And I take the center point to the middle. Right click. So I have it here. Then I choose the part here and I give it array. I come to the top view and I choose the middle point here, the center. For me, okay, let me show you something here. This one is similar to Rhino. Come to properties, come to the mouse. Where is the mouse? Keyboard, mouse. Run this macro 000. That means that if you have a curve and you click on the middle mouse button, it will snap to the middle of the grid. This way it's easier other than pressing on the keyboard. Yeah, yeah, there is a delay. Yeah. So this way it's easier other than coming to the command and typing 0 or this, for example, curve, and then I will tell him 0, enter, then I continue my work. That's little split of seconds delay. So just middle click and it will snap. Again, come to properties and come to the mouse and just change it from here. I think it will be on this section, and just change it down. Okay, so again we choose our part here, array, middle mouse click, 16, right click, 360-degree, right click. Right click. See, now we have it all around. So we choose our cylinder and we tell him split from all the green parts here. Okay, split failed. Let's see, why did the split fail? Let's choose one piece and do a split from two pieces only. Come to the top, or here, split from this piece and this piece. Again, split failed. Okay, what we can do now, again, is getting the curves here, these curves, duplicate, and we say this curve and this curve, right click and delete this one. You see, we can still see that the curve is far from the surface. So to solve this problem is by getting a curve that is facing you, not in this angle. Yeah? So again, we choose, okay, choose this one here, this one here. Okay. Delete. Okay. Come here. And this part, or the triangle is here. So just rotate one point and we choose this view. Okay, what I'm going to do now is take these curves and delete, and we have these two curves. So what I'm going to do now is make sure that this area is not like too sharp. As you can see, it's very sharp. So choose one side. Again, I have my shortcuts on the keyboard. F2 is to show point on. So just take this and a little bit out. Take out the snap. Just a little bit out. So you don't have the problem in here. Okay, again, what I'm going to do here is extend this curve just a little bit out. And then split it from here. Okay, now I have two pieces. Why I'm doing that, I will show you in a second. Okay, now I select the curve and I tell him project. There is two types of projection here. Okay, as you can see here on the icon, it will show that if there is a distance between the cylinder and the surface, it will project all the way. It will make the cylinder small to the surface. So the cylinder is big, but on the surface is small. But I want a normal project. That's wherever the distance between the curve and the cylinder or the object, it will project it as it is. So choose this. I have to come to this viewport and choose the cylinder. Right click. It will project it all the way through. I don't want this part. Just delete it. This curve. And here, what happened is that, as you can see, it's been split. That's why I got my curve here, just in case. This one, but this. Because when it projects here, there is no surface, so it will not do anything regarding that. It will just cut from the edge. So what I will do again is extend all the way up. Up, wherever, here it will be good. Okay. So now I have this curve is matching exactly the surface. So mirror it to the other side and choose both curves. Come to trim and trim these two pieces from here. There's nothing down. Okay, skip. Okay, now I will choose the curves here. I will not choose the center one, because the center one will give me an error. So with this, we choose sweep 2 from point up to the triangle to the point down. Of course, the middle, right click, right click. Okay. So now what we can do is array. Again, we choose the cylinder and we do split these two. Okay. Okay, we got another error. Go back. Okay, in this case, we have another option. Go back. We have this part here. We take these two curves and array them. 16, yes. Okay, these two curves are matching exactly the surface. We choose the surface and we say split from this curve, this curve, this curve, this curve, just a couple of them. Okay, so now what we got is these two triangles and these two triangles, which is what we wanted from the beginning. Choose different color, or we can just delete all this, or we don't delete it, just keep it on a different layer and hide it in case we want it for something else. One, choose these two wherever they are. Array, here is different. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Also. Middle. Okay. Now we choose this. Array, middle, scene, confirm. Okay, this way I have my pieces all separated, and you can do whatever you want with it. Isaac, is that clear? Are all the steps clear? Do you want me to explain to you more, or how? Uh, I'm not sure if you can unroll them. Let's see if we can flatten them. Yeah, come to properties, to mouse, and make this 0. I think this is slash, comma, 0, comma 0. Yeah. If you come to keyboard, I think you will find it on F4. Just copy it, Control C, come to mouse, Control V, and ready to go. This is my keyboard shortcuts. This one is for max viewport. Point on, zoom select. This one I don't use it much on the keyboard. And what I use also, which is Control U for on group, and Control G for Control G for group. So if you want to group pieces, Control U, Control G. Ungroup and group. So you asked me about flattening the piece. If you want only just one, so you can choose one and come to create UV curve. It's in the curve menu. Curve menu. Have to check it out. It's here. Create UV curve. Click that and it will say select curve on surface to UV curve. Say this one, right click, and it will give it to you this way. If you want the upper one as well, which is this one, and it's here, so you can move and out this way. As because here they are all in a center point here, what you can do is select these two and you give it in transform. You come all the way to array along curve. First you have to delete one, take out this. You have to split this one from this point, this point. Okay. Now choose these two and array along curve. This is the curve. I want to 16, and here you go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of counting, just split out. It's 18. The curve and this one are out. Now 17. Why 17? 7, 9, 10, 12. I have a curve. I think I have this. Isaac, is it clear? Yeah, welcome. And this shape is they call it, is a church in Brazil, which is a very beautiful church. I want to show you the video of the board. Yeah, the board. Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, I would love to see it, how it ended. Okay, so we will wrap it up here, and I hope that you learned something out of this tutorial. We did a couple of ways to split these pieces here. Yeah, by having a curve, then by having the triangle being curved along the cylinder, and then that it did not work, then we had to have the curves here by doing project, and then we use the curve to split the cylinder. Then we have these triangles being UV, as in here, UV extract or create UV curve, and we have the shape as you can see here. So this one you can just cut it by laser, and you will come and roll it on the piece when you build it up, and hope it will work. Can I have those pieces, or since it is in matrix I can open? Yes, whatever you can open here in matrix, you can also open it in Rhino. So open Rhino. Okay, this is Rhino, and this is matrix. You can select everything. You Control C, copy, come to Rhino, and Control V. Yeah. For whatever reason, they are not up to scale, so you can just 3D scale them. See, I have it also here. Yes. Scale them all the way down. So even if you go to properties, see, it's the same properties as in matrix, and I have it here. Run this macro 000, keyboard, choose show point, properties, and everything. Come down a little bit. See, this is Control G for group, and Control U. Control U, I did not set it up, but we can set it now. On group, yeah, just Control C, select it, come to the Control U, Control V. So now you have it here. Press OK and it's saved. Yeah, Matrix and Rhino are like same commands, same everything. So here, if you want like to say split, the split is the same. Come here, say split, see, same commands, everything. This. Any other questions, Isaac? Okay, we are gonna wrap it up here, and thank you for joining me, and hope that I give good information. If you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment in the link below on YouTube, and please follow me and hit a like, share it with your friends. If you have any questions, ask me. If you want any help about any project you're doing, feel free to ask me, and I will be there to help you. Thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye-bye.